morning and welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday, where we take you behind the scenes and show you what we're working on every single week. Behind me, we're going to start with this beautiful Cayenne GTS. This is straight from the dealership Sewickley Porsche. If you are in the Pittsburgh area looking for a Porsche, they are by far the best dealership to work with. Aaron is doing a full front end on this one. Beside that, a big truck, F450. We do almost as many trucks as we do sports cars. This one's getting PPF on the rest of the truck. So we'd previously done the front end like a year ago. He told us he was going to finish the wrap, and he was true to his word. He came back to finish up the wrap. So that's what Max is working on right now. And behind that is a Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. This one is getting a ceramic coating. Actually, I think it may have already gotten the ceramic coating. And the new Dodge Charger. Are these still all electric, or does this one have a gas engine? Cool. So the new Dodge Charger, first one we've seen that does not have an electric power plant. They recently switched to gas twin turbo V6. So that's exciting. This is getting PPF coating and the window tint's already done. And our 1933 Hudson, it's been here for a couple of weeks. This one, the polish is done. Coating should be going down hopefully in the next day or two. And this will be ready to go home. In the wash bay, Damari is currently working on an annual inspection on a Ford Edge. And Jimmy's working on a Mercedes SUV. This one's getting ceramic coated. We tinted it too. In the tint bay, we've got Gavin, Zach, and Terrell working on a tint job on a Silverado. This is going to be Zach's last week with us here in Latrobe because he is going to be a tinter down at our new Washington store that's opening up on Monday. So we're sad to lose him from Latrobe, but excited to see what he's going to do down there. And outside, we've got a Ram TRX. This one was previously stealth wrapped and then ceramic coated. We got to do final cleanup on that, and then I believe it's ready to go home. I think we installed a graphic on top of the PPF on the hood as well while I was here. And then an F450 is getting some paint protection film. It got the windows tinted. And Toyota Tundra, another TRD Pro. This one got, well, it's here for a coating as well. And we've got a Kia. We tinted the front windows on. And a Nissan, I believe that's a Sentra. Caleb is currently doing touch-up for the paint protection film. And on the Ram, there's a rocker panel piece of PPF that needs replaced, so we're gonna take care of that. And the excavator, we got some window tint down on that thing. Two exciting things this week. We've got our new store opening in Washington, Pennsylvania, just south of Pittsburgh, next week on Monday, but also our building project is coming along here. So you can see that we're building a 50 by 50 shop down there with like an upstairs with some offices and things. So pretty excited to see that rolling. Hopefully concrete goes down in the next week or two. See what's happening at the other stores.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up front, we have a full wrap and waiting. This is a 2010 Porsche 997.2. This is getting a full body paint protection film wrap along with an 8-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Next up is a Volvo XC60. This vehicle is in progress. It's getting a few different things. We did a visor on the top of the windshield. It's getting almost a full wrap, entire full front, the doors in their entirety, and the back bumper. Once that is complete, it's going to go to Mark's Bay to get an 8-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Next up, we have a completed ceramic coating on this Ford Expedition. Mark did a full body paint correction on this thing and coated all surfaces, the paint, the glass, the plastic, and the wheels and calipers. Another completed project this week is the brand new Ferrari Purissangue. This got a full 10 mil paint protection film wrap. We tinted all the side windows and the back window, and we topped everything off with an 8-year ceramic coating on the entire body. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this GMC Yukon Denali. This was in the PPF bay earlier in the week and got a full front bumper, full hood, and mirror installation and paint protection film. Now Mark is prepping it for a full polish and an 8-year ceramic coating. Next in line for a full wrap is this brand new GT3 Touring. This is getting a full body 8 mil paint protection film wrap, and we are going to be coating the entire interior to help with gene transfer and staining. Over here in the tint bay, we got Andrew working on this Chevy Traverse. This is getting the 2 front windows 20% to match the factory tint. Back in the prep bay is a Ram Pro Master. This is getting a little bit of everything. We tinted the 2 front windows 20% to match the factory tint on the back section. Next, we're going to be doing some paint protection film work on the front of the vehicle. We're going to do the entire hood, the 2 front fenders, and these pillars here that are bound to get chipped up as he takes this thing out west. And we are also going to be ceramic coating the seats on the interior. This has some white seats where during their travels, they don't want staining from whatever they might encounter. So we got these ceramic coated. Back in the PPF bay, we have 2 vehicles in progress. Up on the lift is a Porsche Macan EV. This is getting a full PPF wrap. We're doing 10 mil on the entire front. and 8 mil on the entire rear section. We also tinted the 2 front windows 20% to match the factory tint. Once these guys finish up the full wrap, Mark will get his hands on it for a 4-year ceramic coating. Next up is the C7Z06. This is in for a track package. Few pieces left on this, but we are protecting the entire front end, lower rocker panels, and the side skirts.
We're standing here in our new Washington, Pennsylvania store. This is our 5th location. We will be open next Monday, the 16th, offering window tint, paint protection film, and ceramic coating from xpel. Same team you guys are familiar with. We're bringing people from some other stores to get this one running. So make sure you get scheduled. If you're in the south of Pittsburgh or even like the tri-state area, we're much more convenient to get to now. We look forward to serving the Washington area. Absolutely amazing. I can't believe that you accomplished that already.
Oh, yeah. It's also coming with answering the phone at 12 o'clock at night.
Yes.
So.
Ian, he's going to be running the South Pittsburgh store, and he is so on top of it, it's not even funny.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today. In the PPF bay, we have this Cadillac Escalade that's in for a track pack in our Ultimate 8 paint protection film. It received XR Plus all around, including the windshield and the sunroof. And we're gonna top it off with a 4-year ceramic coating. On the interior, we also did our interior ceramic coating on all the white seats. In the ceramic bay, we have this Porsche 718 Cayman. It's in for a track pack in our paint protection film, Ultimate 8, and a full 8-year ceramic coating. In the tint bay, we have this Audi RS7. It's currently gonna get all the windows tinted in our XR Plus, and then it's gonna be receiving a full body paint protection film and a 4-year ceramic coating.
Hi guys, happy Wednesday. Sarasota checking in, and today we're doing Sarasota location's first residential install. Come check it out. We have quite a bit of windows to do on this house today, so first things first, we're going in with prep on each and every one. This is a metallic reflective film made to increase daytime privacy, reduce UV rays, and glare reduction as well. And then we are going in on these office doors as well as some of the bathroom windows with a white frost, just to create a nice privacy look while still allowing light to come in. While I'm over here working on this gorgeous house, Troy is back at the shop working on an even more gorgeous car. We have a GT4 RS in today for an annual ceramic coating inspection. Make sure you're scheduling your annual ceramic inspections and stay tuned for how this house comes out. See you next week. Bye.